What is blue spirulina? And what is it good for? Most of you up to speed on the list of top superfoods may be familiar with the blue-green microalgae known as spirulina. Blue spirulina is extracted from this spirulina species, mostly the main one known as Arthrospira platensis. This process produces a powder with a brilliantly blue pigmentation because of its high phycocyanin content. Phycocyanin, also called C-Phycocyanin, is a water-soluble pigment protein whose main function is to capture light energy. It serves as an accessory pigment to the green compound known as chlorophyll that's also abundant in spirulina. The first brand to make this type of superfood supplement was the company E3 Live, one of the original AFA Klamath Lake edible blue-green algae suppliers. Their organic product, marketed under the name Blue Magic, is the authentic OG of the blue spirulina world, containing spirulina-derived phycocyanin and other non-PC elements. Today, the term blue spirulina or blue spirulina extract is generically utilized to describe the many powders now available. What does it taste like and how do you use it? Unlike green spirulina, powders have a mild, almost undetectable flavor. You can mix 1 teaspoon into water, beverages, or blended drinks. Just make sure not to use high heat, as it tends to lose potency and especially its stunning color. What is blue spirulina good for? There are several, often discussed health advantages to using this brightly colored superfood. Benefits of blue spirulina. As many health seekers know, dietary antioxidants help to offer cellular protection and are considered useful allies to incorporate into one's daily food regimen. Phycocyanin is known for its strong antioxidative properties. Since blue spirulina is mostly, if not all, phycocyanin content, it can be an easy one to add to boost uptake. Another thing that blue spirulina is known for is its anti-inflammatory qualities. It's often promoted as such for use before exercise to support the joints and overall flexibility. Potentially helpful in reducing pro-inflammatory responses, consumers of dietary supplements or powders often experience reduced discomfort after physical exertion, especially when taken beforehand. In some research, a component derived from phycocyanin, known as Phycocyanobilin, has been shown in animal testing to be a promising nutraceutical for neurodegenerative issues. Blue spirulina is also an energizing nutritive food containing protein as well as various vitamins and minerals which can help to balance overall nutritional intake. Incidentally, because spirulina is grown or cultivated in quality-controlled reservoir tanks or ponds, not natural sources, most high-quality, non-chemical extracted powders are certified organic. In addition, because it's a cyanobacteria, it is likewise very important to source any spirulina product from a reputable supplier that ensures purity testing, as low-quality extracted cyanobacteria may contain potential cyanotoxins. How to use. It is available as a bulk powder which can be mixed into any beverage or added to water. The typical serving size is 1 teaspoon. Capsules are also sold for those who prefer the convenience. Blue spirulina can be both nutritious as well as functional for creative inspiration in the kitchen. Because of its intense blue pigmentation, it's frequently used as a type of natural food coloring for healthy desserts or other culinary endeavors. It can lose some color when heated, but is known to be more stable in foods with a high sugar content, such as desserts. It is, in fact, utilized industrially as an alternative to artificial blue coloring in syrups, foods, pharmaceuticals, and cosmetics. Precautions. Always consult your healthcare professional before intake if you are pregnant, nursing, have a serious medical condition, or are taking prescribed medications. Thanks for watching! For more in-depth info on blue spirulina, as well as top online sources, be sure and investigate the links in the description box below this video. Please support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. And don't miss these additional informative videos.